Hi loves, it's Ashley Sandrine. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is just gonna be a stay-at-home vlog with me. I mean, of course, we can't really go out. And I don't know, I think I haven't done like a vlog in a long time because all I've been doing are like cooking videos. So I decided na I wanted to vlog even a bit just to share with you guys how my day has been going and just to be able to talk to you guys. And I'm starting the vlog with my phone because my camera is still charging. But yeah, I woke up and then I dressed up for you guys. Di pa ako nagme-makeup, but I don't know if I should put on makeup. I haven't put on makeup in weeks, so I'm thinking maybe I should do that later. But for now, let's go down and then let's have coffee. I'll show you guys how I do my favorite morning coffee. And yeah. Okay, so one of the first things I like to do when I go down is get my morning coffee, or whatever time I wake up. I wake up pretty late because I sleep pretty late, but yeah, I like getting my coffee fixed, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. You guys might get pretty shocked because I like my coffee sweet. Like really, not super duper sweet, but yeah, I put like condensed milk and stuff and creamer and all that, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so I have fresh milk. I have my Nescafe Gold. I've been using this recently because our coffee machine where I get our espresso is having problems. So instead, I'll just use this one right now. And then I have my hazelnut creamer that I got from SNR. This is really good. And then I have my clean canteen because this one keeps my drink cold for a long time. And then I have condensed milk. And I also have my ground cinnamon. What I do first is I grab my Nescafe Gold, probably just like 1 tablespoon. Not too much really, because it's too strong if it's like a lot. So this much, and then I put it in my clean canteen. I also put 3 pumps of my hazelnut creamer. And then I will pour the hot water to melt it first because the grounds won't melt if they're in cold water. And then I will get a tablespoon of condensed milk to sweeten it. You guys can put more if you want it to be sweeter. Sometimes I put like 1.5, and then you just mix it. Okay, so we have our ice cubes. We're gonna put them here. And then we are putting milk. And then on top of that, we are just sprinkling some cinnamon on top. I don't know, this made my coffee taste really good. And it smells really good as well. So we just put a bit of cinnamon and then just get the straw ready, mix it up. And there we go. Okay, so I have my coffee right here. And I'm super excited to have it. I always look forward to this in the mornings. It's really, really good. I got this recipe from like a Spanish latte recipe because I tried the Spanish latte in Dubai one time and I really liked it. So sabi ko, I kind of wanted to try it out at home, like see how I can make it. So I copied a recipe and then kind of just twisted it and made it my own. So this is how I do mine. And if you guys try it out, let me know. But it's really, really good. You can taste the coffee, but there's also some sweetness, and you can also taste the cinnamon. So this is it for my morning. Okay, so first meal of the day, I have my champorado, and I also have tuyo, which is super good. This one is from San Marino. And then I have condensed milk, and then I have my iced coffee, and vitamins, water, and I also have my iPad. My laptop is charging. I am going to watch Scarlet Heart. So, ayun. I have been watching this on Kiss Asian. I'm currently on episode 4 pa lang.
Start your computations.
Okay, so after playing, I usually just like to chill and play Animal Crossing. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but it's a pretty popular game right now. They released it, I think, last February, and buti na lang my brother had a Switch, so I borrowed it from him. Tapos I downloaded it online and bought the game. I think it's like 3,000 pesos, and it's a pretty cool game. Like, I'm not a gamer, but I really enjoy this because it's a pretty chill game. It's super cute. You guys get to build your island, and then you build your own house, and then you like unlock a lot of stuff, and then you fix your house and buy a lot of furniture and then customize it and all that. So it's really fun. If you guys play, let me know in the comment section down below. Maybe we could like play together, or you guys could visit my island. I'll show you guys my house. It's not yet complete, pero it's really cute. Wait. I don't know if you can see, but I've been playing it for a few days pa lang. So, oh. Okay, so this is my house. I have a bed, and then the bunny day rug. I have a small table here on the side and a lamp, and I also have the bunny day like lights or garlands. I forgot what it's called. And then I also have a rug. I have a really cute pet bed right here, and then I have a small sofa, and then a table with fragrance sticks. I have this cabinet. I have a mirror. And then, let's go to the bathroom. It's not complete, as in, wala pa siya masyadong stuff because I still have to unlock the other items. But I have a pink wall right here. And then, I have a bathtub. I have a panel. I have a gold shower. I have a towel rack and a toilet right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ayan o. And then, I'm trying to build my kitchen as well. I'm gonna show you. Pero wala pa akong table for the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. It's super cute. I have a stand mixer that's pink right here. Can you see it? And then I have an espresso machine. And then medyo mukha siyang cafe because the walls are like brick tiles. And then I have a rice cooker, and I have like a spice rack. So that's it pa lang. It's super empty pa, but it's super cute. That's my house. And then yeah, I usually just play this when I want to like relax. Let me know if you guys want to visit my island. I have pears in my island. Let me know what fruits you guys have. My friend, si Ate Krisha, gave me peaches though and cherries. So I'm starting to grow those as well. Huh. Guys, so after chilling, playing, watching my show, I take some time to work out, probably like 30 to 40 minutes lang or an hour, and I've been trying to follow Chloe Ting's videos lang. And yeah, I dressed up now, and we are going down to the mini gym in our house. Okay, you guys, I'm in the gym, and for today's outfit, hindi ako masyado mahilig sa Nike. Hindi naman masyado. Joke. But anyways, we are doing this video, which is the best full body workout to lose fat, which is a 20-minute video. It is by Chloe Ting on YouTube, and it's free, so you guys can just copy her videos.
On those New Year resolutions with this 28 days flat tummy challenge.
After dinner, we take some time to pray the rosary together with the whole family. And then for dessert, I have my creamy yogurt drink that's so good. I got it from Landers. And then I also have my almonds that are cookie and cream flavored. And they're really, really good. And then I watch my show as well. Hey guys, so I am back in my room. So a while ago we had dinner. And then we prayed the rosary. And then I hung out by myself downstairs. I usually just watch my shows on my laptop or an iPad. And then just enjoy before going up to my room. And then when I get up to my room, I just still chill. I am going to be playing Animal Crossing again, maybe in a while. And then I usually just scroll through my phone, and I also watch my show again. So I am currently, I think, on episode 5 of Scarlet Heart. The last show that I watched was Hi Bye Mama, and I cried so much. It's such a cute show, and it's actually really funny also, pero nakakaiyak siya. If you guys haven't seen it, go see it. It is very nice. It will make you appreciate your family more. And yeah, super daming lessons. It's really, really nice. Comment down below what other shows you think I should see. But actually, ang dami ko nung napanood. But yeah, let me know if meron kayong mga recommendations. I would gladly appreciate that and search for it. I'm also watching The World of Married with my mom, and ang ganda din niya, but it's so intense, but the story is really, really nice. It makes you wonder what really is gonna happen next and paano makakaangat sa life yung main character, si Dr. G. So, ayun lang. But the series isn't done yet, so every week siya, so you still have to wait for the episodes. But anyways, I'm gonna go watch my show now. Okay, time check. It is, can you see that? 1:09 a.m. Oh, 1:10 a.m. na. And I am about to get ready for bed pa lang. Like, I'm gonna brush my teeth, I'm gonna do a bit of skincare, and then Toby has been hanging out in my mom's room a lot lately. So, susunduin ko siya. And then, I will bring him here. Hello. Toby, fetch. Give it to me. Fetch. Psst. Toby. Toby. Wait. Fetch. So usually our night routine is I make him pee and poop before going up to my bed, and I also play with him. Hey, give. We play fetch a lot. Say hi first. High five, high five. Good boy. Isa pa. Show them. High five. High five. Oh, good boy. What? Give me your other hand. Wipe. Good boy. Let's go, let's go. Hello, excuse me. Excuse me. Toby sleeps here on this pillow. That's his puesto. Okay, you guys, part of my night routine is talking to Ref every day at night. We FaceTime all the time. So, hello.
Hello guys. What's up?
Wala lang. I'm just showing them what I do during quarantine.
Oh.
But-
Yeah, this is what we do even without
Yeah,
work.
even if there's no quarantine, we always FaceTime. Ayan na, pumuesto na si Toby. Hello. Sleep ka na? Good night. Good night. Bagong ligo to eh. Gwapo oh. Uy.
Hello.
Gwapo ka.
Hindi naman.
Joke lang. We're gonna try to sleep early. It is currently 2 a.m. And this is still early for us kasi we usually sleep at like 5. So Ref is just here and I will watch my show while he's working or doing what he's doing. I don't know what time we're sleeping yet, but I'm ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy staying at home with me. Please don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on that bell notification button so that you guys get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, loves.